So what are we doing today?
A Drawventure.
Welcome to Drawventure.
Yes,
Drawventure. It's our adventure of drawing, and we're gonna go different places and do some fun drawings. Today we're at...
It's what, Heron... something.
The Heron Sanctuary.
The Heron Sanctuary.
Heron Sanctuary! Let's take the whimsical path. We're going on this path. We haven't gone this way before, so it's a new adventure. Looks really pretty, actually. It continues. Oh, there's another little path. Peeky holes! Eagle Scout project. Peeky hole. Look through the peeky hole.
If you look closer, they're like hiding really well. But there's like at least 5 I can see.
Oh, I scared them all away. I'm sorry. Hey. Turn around and look at me. No. Do it with the camera on. Recordception. Yeah. Now everybody knows what your phone looks like.
Oh, great.
There's a little bench there. Oh, it's a little house. There's other little trails that aren't paths, but there's a tiny house. What's in the tiny house? Is it more peeky holes? I think it's more peeky holes. Master of Photography. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at Geese Island. We shall zoom in on Geese Island. There's geese sitting. More geese. And if you glance over here, there's a duck. Turtles! There's turtles over there on that log.
Oh, I see them.
This is really nice. Is it just me? Or do they sound like a horn being squished? That's a lot of goose butt. Ooh, flowers! Look at how pretty those are! These are so pretty. Oh, it does? Oh! Trail connector! That looks like it goes out. So, I think we should go that way. Want to draw out that bench we pointed out earlier? This one?
The one that was this one?
The one that was this one? Yes.
Okay, the one that was this one. We'll draw them.
Okay.
We can draw them.
We could. There's benches in there.
Okay. Maybe we should.
Okay. I want to sit next to you.
Okay.
We're sitting on this bench. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know if we should be worried. He's really close. What is he doing that for? Oh, he's got a tag on him. Oh, that's cool. See the tag? It's on his leg. Is it working? It's the random generator, and we already know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be birds, but we're gonna do what they're doing.
Wrestling a bear.
Wrestling a bear. Do you want to do that? Not really.
We can try another.
Let's try another. Well,
as a child, that doesn't make any sense. Just baby birds
okay, again.
on the fashion runway.
I could see a bird on a fashion runway. You want to do that one?
Yeah, that sounds pretty fun.
Okay, we're gonna do birds on fashion runway, and it's gonna be amazing. Yay! So here's our sketchbook, Sorceress Wizard sketchbook.
It's
Yeah.
fabulous sketchbook.
And then my sketchbook. It's completely empty. I saved it just for this, just for the fabulous Drawventure. Brand new sketchbook. Break it in today. Okay, so for this, I think what we should do is just use these birds as the fashion birds. Like these birds or on the other board. Just the birds that come here.
I agree.
As the only
that,
birds.
I think that has to be the birds.
So we are only going to use these birds. Walk over here. Or these birds. We're not going to do tropical birds. We're going to do more of the birds that appear around here. I was about to say spawn. I don't know. Birds that spawn here.
There's some that spawn
Like-
here. They're born here. They spawn here.
Technically, yeah. You got a point there. The fox sparrow. Yeah, sparrow. I think that'll be a cool one to do.
This particular
That
bird,
one?
because of that crown, or that, yeah.
I knew which one it was.
The feather floofs on top of its head. So I'm probably going to be doing that bad. Drawing that bad.
Look at those beautiful eyes.
Mm-hmm. Now I got more of the shape of the actual beak and the
Oh my
face
God.
and stuff.
I don't know yet. I got like nothing yet.
I got some of the beak and the face, and this bird's interesting because the female actually has more like color to it than the male does. It's just odd. I didn't think there was any birds like that. Did you?
No. I'm drawing an eyeball. Leave me alone.
Fine, I'll just get back to my fancy posed bird thing. Yeah.
Good.
Runway bird.
Good.
Runway bird.
Okay, it took a while, but I finally got the face going. And the basic body.
And I've got...
I love how different our styles are.
I've got a lot with the face.
Yours is very
and then-
edgy and mine's like, oh, look at how cute that bird is.
Yeah.
So now I've got a cute little bird. But now I gotta figure out the fashion sense of it. What does Sorceress Wizard have?
I got pretty much the same. I got a bird. that needs to have some fashion added. It's in a fancy pose.
It is a fancy pose. See mine.
Oh,
Mine just looks so adorable. It's like, oh, look at how cute that bird is.
Mm-hmm.
Is he wearing a dress?
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Yeah.
He's fancy.
It's very fancy.
I think I may be done with mine. I like that curvy path though.
Yeah.
That was really nice over there.
Yeah.
Until people joined us. Then it got awkward. Very awkward.
So awkward.
Did it?
It got really awkward.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching on our first ever Drawventure. Gotta get the action pose.
I know, really.
But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Goodbye.